Hey guys, what's up? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do this coin appearance. So if you want to learn how to do this coin appearance, keep watching. If you don't want the trick spoiled, click off the video now. So this coin appearance, you want to know how to do it. Well, it's super simple and easy, and I'll show you how to do it right now. All you need is a coin. There are some variations that I will tell you in just a second, but this one I use, where the coin is hidden, is right on your palm like that. So it's out of the view when you're showing your hands, but it can sometimes fall off like that. But let me show you better. It can sometimes fall off like that when you're showing your hands. But a way to counteract that is to use double-sided tape or one of these glue sticks. What you just need to do is take the glue stick, put some glue right there, take your coin, put your coin right on where the glue was, and it sticks firmly, so you can show your hands and then go for the pass, which is like this from a backside view-ish. You take your thumb out, grab the coin, you pull it, you push through, and you show. So a front side view, grab, pull, show. And that's how to do the variations. The variations was without glue, with double-sided tape, and with glue. So that's how it's done. So if you want to know more magic tricks like this one, click the link in the description. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, like, and have a great day.